Imagine a world where factories think for themselves, where machines predict their own failures, and where production lines adapt on the fly. Welcome to Industry 4.0. In the dimly lit, cavernous halls of a once thriving manufacturing plant, there's a hum of machinery that's unmistakably new. The floor, where human hands once assembled intricate parts with precision, now houses rows of sleek, robotic arms moving with a rhythm that's more digital than mechanical. Above, on screens that flicker with streams of data, operators watch as AI algorithms fine-tune every aspect of production. This is not a scene from a dystopian future. It's the reality of Industry 4.0, where AI and cloud technologies are rewriting the rules of manufacturing. To understand Industry 4.0, we need to look back at the previous revolutions that reshaped industry. The first industrial revolution brought us steam engines and mechanization. The second introduced electricity and mass production. The third revolution, characterized by computers and automation, paved the way for our current transformation. Industry 4.0, also known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution, is driven by the integration of digital technologies into manufacturing. At its core, it's about connecting the physical and digital worlds to create smart factories where machines communicate, data flows seamlessly, and decision-making is largely autonomous. Central to this transformation are AI and cloud computing, technologies that, when combined, offer unprecedented capabilities in real-time data processing, analytics, and decision-making. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence processes like learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. In manufacturing, AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data to optimize production schedules, predict equipment failures before they happen, and even create entirely new designs based on customer preferences. Cloud computing allows businesses to store and process data over the internet rather than on local servers, enabling real-time access to data, scalability of operations, and cost-effective management of resources. When AI and cloud technologies converge, they empower manufacturers to achieve levels of efficiency, precision, and customization that were previously unimaginable. One of the most significant contributions of AI and cloud computing in Industry 4.0 is their ability to revolutionize manufacturing processes. With AI-driven systems and cloud computing, manufacturers can create highly flexible production lines that automatically adjust to new designs or specifications without the need for downtime. AI's predictive capabilities extend beyond production, continuously monitoring the performance of machinery and using cloud-based analytics to predict when a machine is likely to fail. The heart of Industry 4.0 beats in real time. The ability to process and analyze data as it is generated is critical to the functioning of smart factories. AI and cloud technologies are not only transforming the factory floor, but are also revolutionizing supply chain management, a critical component of manufacturing that ensures materials and products move seamlessly from supplier to customer. Embrace the change, learn the tools, and position yourself for success in the age of smart factories. The revolution is here. Don't be left behind.